Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for July 4th to the 18th. July 4th to the 8th. We still have our ridge here over the Aleutians, trough here across the northwest, and we have a ridge here across much of the remainder of the nation, with the ridge centered over eastern Canada, where right now there's excessive heat warnings and so forth. But that will remain in place, and a weak trough here in the east. But this trough gradually reaches out, and most of the models showing a zone of flow developing as we go through the period. So above normal precipitation is forecast for the Gulf Coast states in the southeast, and this will be caused by possible low pressure developing anywhere from the Gulf to the southeast. Now we'll take a look at some of the models, and this is the GFS, and we go through the days, and it kind of comes inland. It's non-tropical, but it has a lot of tropical moisture with it, and then it goes out over the Gulf. Over the Gulf Stream, over the Western Atlantic offshore, and then what happens there, who knows? But it remains weak. Now, this is the GFS. We'll look at the European. Has a low, brings it inland, has it meandering around the coast, and then pushes it out over the Gulf Coast, and it remains closer to the coast. And there's a lot of warm waters out here, so what happens to it after that point is a good question. But one thing is to be said is there'll be a lot of heavy rainfall again occurring across this area that doesn't need any rain. Also, a series of lows will move across the northern tier along the stall frontal boundary and will bring episodes of heavy rain and thunderstorms. And the remainder of the nation, anywhere from the Rockies to the Mid-Atlantic, could experience diurnal thunderstorm activity. And some of the models show it well, some don't pick up on it, but the threat is there. And also, we will have much of the nation will experience very warm to hot temperatures with anomalies of 10 to 15 degrees above normal from the plains to the Great Lakes. And also, excessive heat is likely across portions of the southern Florida and the Southwest, with heat index values near 110 degrees. We're going to look now at the period for July 9th to the 13th. And the flow remains generally unchanged. We still have our ridge here, a little bit of a weaker trough. And we have near to above normal heights with a zone of flow across much of the nation. Here's the westerlies across the northern tier. So most of the models are showing this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for this region, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal, near to above normal temperatures forecast for the remainder of the nation, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. For precipitation, home for above normal precipitation here, and for this region, probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then we have below normal precipitation for this region here, probability of occurrence is up to 45%. Looking ahead, this will be for the period for July 14th to the 18th. And get over here. And on the trough here over the northwest weekends with near to above normal heights and a zone of flow across the nation. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures from the Rockies, or most of the Rockies, eastward to the Atlantic coast, with anomalies near 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35%. Below normal precipitation forecast for this region here, but the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for July 4th to the 18th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.